Vivi! Wow, swimming!
The head of OpenAI behind ChatGPT is advising to deliver more models after Chinese startup DeepSeek appeared to undermine the US leading the global artificial intelligence race. Sam Altman had earlier called the Chinese startup product impressive and said it was liberating to have a new competitor. But Mr. Altman said there is a need for more power. He's appearing to push back on the idea that the governments could cost less. Now, DeepSeek claims to use fewer chips than rivals. Some reports say DeepSeek is 90% cheaper than OpenAI, twice as fast. In just 1 week, the model has overtaken ChatGPT in downloads.
Okay, bye. We're going to the pool. Poolie! Swimming time! We're going to the... Don't pick your nose! Di na maabot hanggang mata. Pari ata. We are on the 12th floor. Saan na ba? Okay. Going to swimming pool. Yes. The pool is at level 2. Follow the arrows. The tourist from Philippines. Ooh, Ethan! Lamig! Spine sport. Mali. Baka nga doon. Ethan. Oo, doon nga siguro. Andyan din? Baka bawal. Naku, ang lamig! Baby, so cold! Yaan mo na! Lang, ina na lamig! Swimming time! Ang lamig! Ang lakas ng hangin! Baby, paano ka magsiswimming? Ha? Oh. Swimming. Look at daddy swimming. Malamig? Hindi mo ako pag-swimming ang baby. Malamig. Huh? How you swim? Ha? Sobra? Tayo makapag-swim. Sayang ating outfit, anak. Ano? Teka. Come. Let's see. Let's see what's... Sana. Tanga. Ay, nakaano yan. Pipi! Yan. Ito ang view. Here's the view from level 2. maulan. Paradox. Ang epic fail na salbabida. Oh, teka. Oh, yan na. Go. Baby, smile. Ayan. Baby. Ayan. Smile. Baby. Agad? Tapos na swimming niya? Nilamig na po siya. Nilamig. Malamig naman nga. Bukas na lang ng umaga. Lago tayo. Go na again. Let's go na. Go back na. Going back. Going back. Baby. Hindi man lang tayo naka 1 hour sa labas. Lamig.
Dandan ka ha?
Ikaw dandan, kami hawak. Okay, kabalik na po kami. Bukas na lang ng umaga, sana maaraw. At nilamig na po ang aming baby. Baby damulag. Bye!
Next day.
Okay, on our second attempt. Uy, saan ka? Ano na ang lift? On our second attempt to the pool. Kapag malakas pa din ang hangin. Oh my! Are you excited? Going to the pool? Uy, you're going to the pool! Hi! Eden! Going to the pool? Psst! Eee. Tama naman ang outfit mo ngayon. Ang luwag ng damit. Paano ka magsiswimming niya? Lalamigin ka. Okay. Are you ready? This is the second attempt. Okay? Oh no, Aidan. Ang lamig. Ba't ka lamig din eh? Mahangin ba? Ha? Oh my! Aidan, how will you swim? Aidan. Ayun. At sobrang hangin pa din. Eee, baby! Natala ng hangin. Ang lamig! Nag-ina, parang hindi ko kaya. Sobrang hangin, anak! Kamay, yung kamay. Tapos ang kabi kayo may dala ng hangin. Nadadala ng hangin, nalulunod. Diyos ko, day! Ano ba yan? Makakapag-swimming ba yan? Yan. Makita nyo kung gaano kalakas ang hangin. Nadadala ang mga upuan. Huwag tayo magsiswimming. Huwag tayo natakot mo na. Kaya pala tayo tinatawanan ng mga ano. Bumaba sa elevator. Ay, paano hindi ka na naman makakapag-swim? Ah? Yeah! Smile. Gusto ka mag-swim? Ha? How will we swim? Hindi din tayo makakatubo. Yeah! Ada! Ganyan lang kasi malamig ang tubig. Yeah, kapag swimming. Kalakas dito ng hangin. Aidan! Iyak na.